Hello everyone, this is Harsha. Welcome to our YouTube channel Tech Me Height. Nowadays, most of the youth are graduating from the colleges with different kinds of degrees, be it engineering or diploma or a degree, be it anything. But how many of those are exactly getting a job after their graduation? Lakhs of people are not getting the jobs, right? Even though we have abundance of jobs available in the market around 30 lakhs, we are not getting these jobs. Though few people are getting it, they are limiting to the base salaries like 15k to 20k. So why is this happening? So this is because what we were taught in the colleges is completely different with the requirements of the industry. And everyone get to know about this after completing their graduation. So this is the difference that making. But do you know, if we are having all the required skills that a company is looking for, then we can get a job easily from 6 to 9 LPA. When you look at the IT industry, we do have different kinds of doubts. Like I am from a non-IT background, so will I be able to get a software job? Or I am from, I am having a less CGPA, or I have backlog, so will I be able to get it? Why is it happening like this? We have these kinds of doubts when it compared to IT industry. So when you watch this video till end, all these questions will have a solution. More than 60% of the people are unemployed after their graduation, and the remaining rest are getting settled for the low paying jobs. So why is this like? Guys, do you know that we have been spending lakhs of rupees from our 5th standard till the graduation, and also years of efforts and time? So are we doing all these to get settled for a less paying job around 15 to 30k? Are we not having enough opportunities in India? Is that why we are not getting jobs? No. So according to Indian Staffing Federation, around 30 lakhs tech jobs are going to be created in the next 2 years, that is by 2023. In IT industry, when you compare with any other industries, it is easy to get a job with less efforts and less competition. And most of the people don't know this and go after GATE, CAT and many of these government or competitive exams and spend their valuable time around 3 to 4 years after this. What we understand as of now is that though there are a good number of job opportunities and companies actively looking for the candidates, still we are not getting jobs. Yes. And the only reason for this is lacking of company relevant skills. Yes. Though we are having abundance of job openings in the market, just because we are lacking the industry relevant skills, we are not able to get landed in a high paying tech jobs. How great it would be if we actually knew all the relevant skills that a company is looking for. Or what if the company pays you based on the skills that you have learned so far? Or what if there is a proven path which help you in landing at a high paying tech job if you sincerely follow it? Is there any such path like this? Does anyone got succeeded by following this path? Let me tell you about Sushant, who has graduated from civil engineering background and has only less knowledge in coding, and now by learning the industry demanding skills, he has become full stack developer with 11 LPA in just 4 months. And let me tell you about Bhargav as well. So he is having 21 backlogs at a point of time in his graduation, and due to which he was not able to attend the campus placements. But now he have become a full stack developer with 11 LPA in just 4.5 months. And after listening to this, you may have different questions like, how do they manage to do this? How have they learned all these skills? And how they have landed in that high paying jobs? Like this, you may have different questions. As this, many people from non-IT background with backlogs, with low CGPA have landed in a good paying tech job roles after following this path and learning all the relevant skills. And also who follows this path will land in a high paying tech job role. Also, before taking a decision, we should be aware about the opportunities in it, how the growth will be, and what will be the competition in it. We should think about these many aspects before taking a decision. And let me tell you about this path, which was followed by many of the people. This is called CCBP, which was started by the people who have graduated from IITs, NITs and many premier colleges and also who have worked for different companies like Amazon, Microsoft, Intel, and have developed world-class products. And with that experience, they have created this world-class product called CCBP. And now, what exactly is CCBP? CCBP teaches you what skills that required by the companies and the industry, and what skills will help you to land in a high paying tech job role. And you will be learning all this in 4.5 months from zero knowledge to full stack specialization. You will also be building real time projects in this, and you will have that real time projects experience. And once everything is done, they start referring you to the companies with packages from 4.5 LPA to 9 LPA and even more. People who have learned in CCBP have placed in many companies like Deloitte, IBM, Bank of America, Amazon, as well as many other companies. In the past 6 months, CCBP learners are able to place in 180 plus companies, and they are still in contact with 1200 plus companies. Learners who have gone from CCBP to the different companies are setting a benchmark there, and those companies are looking for candidates like this. Many people might have think that only people who are graduating from IT or CS background will get a software job. No, it is not like that. When you look into CCBP, there are people who are from civil engineering, mechanical engineering, or any other non-IT background who have learned from zero to building projects to getting placed in a software job, that too with a higher packages. You have already seen people like this. Before discussing about the fees, starting from the zero knowledge, people are saying based on how they build their skills, they are being paid less. Even though there are few, they are charging around 1.5 lakhs. But when you look into CCBP, it is around 50% less. CCBP follows two fee structures called postpaid and prepaid. When you talk about postpaid, in this model, there is some upfront amount you need to pay initially, and the remaining amount you will be paying after getting a job. Yes. So in this model, initially you will be paying 35,000 of the money, and after getting a job, you need to pay 12% of the annual CTC. And in this prepaid model, you have to pay the entire fee before, and once you don't get a job in the given time frame, the total refund of the money will be given to you. And in this model, you have to pay around 75,000. Friends, the 35,000 that we are investing here will have an impact for the next 30 years of your career. And the job that you are getting from 4.5 LPA to 9 LPA, then the 30,000 or 35,000 will be just a month's salary for you. The very important thing that here is, when you constantly put your efforts and build the relevant skills, then you will definitely get a job. So whoever completed the graduation or in the final year of their study, if you are able to build all the relevant skills, then you will definitely be able to get placed in high paying tech job role. So this is a very good opportunity for everyone, guys. So irrespective of your brand, CGPA or backlogs, they will train you from zero knowledge and will help you to get a job that will pay you around 4.5 to 9 LPA. So to know more about this, refer to their website and check it thoroughly. You can also find the course curriculum there. Check it out also. And do you know that 63% of the Indian graduates are still unemployed just because they are lacking the technical skills? Yes. But there are 30 lakhs jobs available in the market in India alone. Yes. So companies are finding it difficult to pick a candidate with required skills. So with CCBP, anyone can get a highest paying tech job role irrespective of their branch, degree, backlogs and background. Yes. So all you need to do is check out the link in the description. So when you go to their website, you can choose for the request a demo option. Then the senior team will explain you all the things about how to get these technical skills and help you to know how to utilize this golden opportunity to get land in a highest paying tech job role. Yes. So I provide you all the details in the description and their YouTube link as well. You can listen to the success stories and you can refer to entire things of the CCBP program. So I hope that you will utilize this opportunity to build your career. Yes. If you find this video useful, please share it to your friends and your colleagues so that they can get this opportunity and use it.